Ready to discover Sheridan? Here's how to join our virtual open house. Once you've registered, we'll email you a link to join Hopin, our virtual platform, before the event. Then, create your Hopin account. Just name, email, password, accept, sign up. That's it, you're in. This is reception. You'll see an overview of the day and different sessions to attend. Our stage is where you'll find out how to apply, financial aid options, and about life at Sheridan. Over here, you can search for the programs you're interested in and drop in for a Q&A with our professors and watch live presentations. Hit Student Networking to connect with a current Sheridan student for a one-on-one video chat to get the inside scoop on what it's like to be a Bruin. Head over to Service Area to get info on student supports, residence, international center, and more. Still got questions? Type your questions into the chat to connect with us, or if you need help troubleshooting or any assistance, email us at student.recruitment@sheridancollege.ca. We can't wait to welcome you virtually.